Hey everybody, welcome to my another video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how can you get your data sample for to show in demo. So for that, this is very useful video. Please watch till end, and first of all please subscribe to my channel and support me. I update your very useful video. So let's get started. So for demo, here is one site, file-examples.com. here you can get your sample videos, sample audio files, sample documents, sample image and other files. So it is just for test or demo use. So I'm going to show you sample documents. If you need any samples data or anything just for use for demo, you can get your doc file, docx file, excel file, ppt file, pdf, odt, many file and in different size. So if you go here, you can see here Microsoft Word binary format. You can go here and you can get your as your requirement. If you need 100 KB data, then you can click here. If you want this 500 KB, then click here. Almost there is 1 MB sample data file, so you can click here. So suppose I want this 1 MB data, then I will just click here and then you can see here it's downloaded, and I will open this. Here you can get your data easily just for demo, and it's very useful website. So you can see here it's 1 MB size, and you can see here all the data are used, and I can use this data as a demo. So now I have shown these sample documents. I will go to sample audio files. Here also you can choose your audio file or WAV file or OGG file. So suppose I go to MP3 file, and you can get here any. I will click here and play, and I will click here and click on download, and it started download, and I can get here and I'll show you, and it's downloaded here. So in this way you can get your file just for demo. And another thing I will show by sample videos. You can get your video as AVI, MOV, MPG, OGG, WMV, WBM. So in this way we can get your sample videos, audios, documents, images and other things. So I hope you like this video. So make sure hit that subscribe button and turn the bell notification, and please like and share this video. Thank you.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.